Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Cloudflare pages. First, open your Cloudflare dashboard in your browser. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner and click on the Add button. After that, select Connect a Domain from the options. Now, type in the domain name you have registered with Namecheap. Cloudflare will automatically scan for any existing DNS records on that domain. When the scan is complete, click Continue to proceed. Next, you need to retrieve the Cloudflare name servers. Cloudflare will provide two unique name servers. Make sure to copy these exactly, as you will need them in the next step. Now, log into your Namecheap account and go to your domain list. Find the domain you want to connect and click on Manage next to it. Scroll down to the Name Server section. From the drop-down menu, select Custom DNS. Paste the two name servers you copied from Cloudflare into the fields provided. After entering them, click the green checkmark to save your changes. Once your name servers are updated, return to your Cloudflare dashboard. Wait until the domain status shows as active. Then, navigate to Workers and Pages and select the specific pages project you want to link. Go to the Custom Domains tab and click Set up a domain. Enter your Namecheap domain again and click Continue. To finish, select Activate Domain. Because Cloudflare is managing your DNS, it will automatically create the correct CNAME records to point your domain to your page's site. Finally, wait until the active status appears next to your custom domain in the page's dashboard. At this point, your Namecheap domain is fully connected to your Cloudflare pages project. Thanks for watching.